Hi there, I'm here to teach you how to get onto Raz Kids from Launchpad. Raz Kids is an online library full of books. They can go on and on as your child's levels go. It moves with your child's reading level. So you can find just right books on Raz Kids. So just like the other tutorials, to get on Launchpad, you need to go to your child's computer and go to the Chrome. And once you push Chrome, you'll be at the Google where I am right now. You can either push your login right here where you see the Rock Hill symbol. If you've logged into Launchpad before, this should be here. You push that and it'll bring you to Launchpad. If you haven't been to Launchpad before, then you type in launchpad.classlink.com and it'll take you right there to the Rock Hill site. You sign in as you do to get on Zoom every morning. Go to your book bag. And if you haven't been on Launchpad in a while, we have some new apps. So if you don't see the app that you want, click on the plus, however many there are. And that's how you can see this drop-down menu. Go to apps. And that's how you can see all of your apps. Go to Raz Kids. I don't know if this is going to come up for you, but if it does, skip it. Now this is the part where we need to pay attention. This is as if I'm getting in. I need you to go to Raz Plus. And then come down here to Kids Login. When you do that, my class should pop up. But if it doesn't, my tag is YTruesdale0. If you have to actually go in and pick a teacher, your teacher's username. You don't have to do this if I pop up, but if I do, my username is YTruesdale0. Go. Okay? Then find your name. Work with your child to make sure that they're not pressing somebody else's name that starts with the same letter, but that they're actually reading through the whole name. That happens a lot in kindergarten. I'll push on my name, and then their password is a picture. I'm going to send you your child's password. They click on the picture. Some of the kids have two, so you just click on one and the other. Again, I'll send you the passwords. Once you get on, this is your mission control. So it's it looks like a game to get the kids interested. So this is the level that I'm on. I'm on pre-reader, and I have 44 tasks, which are books, until I get to level A. And it keeps going all the way through there, all the way to Z. By the end of kindergarten, we expect kindergartners, if they're on grade level, to be at a D. So that gives you a little bit of understanding of how far we have to go. And so when you select the books, we want to have the students try to read the book first. Kindergartners don't know what they don't know. So try to read the book first. Let them have some productive struggle. A big house, a big dog, A big car. You see how you can highlight the word that you're on? It will help them track. A big bus. Okay. Then after they read the book, they get rewarded. Then they can listen to the book. Listening to the book is just as good as reading it. It creates fluency.
Written by Cheryl Ryan. Illustrated by Joe Bodie. A big house.
The only thing I ask is when it is reading it to them, if we please remind them to track along with the book, track with their finger and their eye along with the book. Not just let it read it to them. We need to get out of like TV or some kind of entertainment, reading it to them, but that they're actually doing work and they're reading along. And that's one of our biggest struggles, as you know, virtual with kindergarten, that this is a tool. It's not something that's supposed to entertain them. And even though they've checked us off, if I went through that whole book, it would be a check. You can go back to a book and read it again. There's no problem with that, especially if you found that it was a particularly tricky book. And once they get through the books on this level, it will graduate them to the next level automatically. And I'll be teaching them along the way. So I think that you have to unlock certain games, but eventually there'll be games and different things on the interface. Get messages from me here and messages from Raz Kids. You get your stats. The kids can buy different things with their points. They can build their avatar and build their rocket with their points. So this is highly motivating for them because it's also a game. So maybe when you're sitting with them, they can do the reading part. And maybe when you need like to fix dinner or some free time, they can use the points and do the game part, or however you want to manage it. But just making sure that they're reading and earning points too. Thanks for your time. Happy reading.